You ran out of space from editing stuffs in your workstation. Oh no, what to do? But you also don't feel like opening up your case, to put an extra hard drive or extra solid state drive. What should you do? That's when this product comes in. This is the Seagate expansion. Basically, this is a hard drive, but souped up for the desktop purpose mainly. What does it do, and is it good? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Today we are actually taking a look at one of Seagate's newer models in their lineup. This is actually a refreshed model. They used to have this expansion model a while back, but they had a redesign and everything. So what is this? Basically, right, this is, in a nutshell, this is an external hard drive, meaning you can actually plug this inside a USB port inside your computer. So whether it's your computer, your desktop, or your laptop, or even in some cases your Android phone, will also be able to pick up data from this particular hard drive. But this is not your ordinary hard drive, okay? This is actually a desktop-based hard drive, which means that, other than you need to plug power into it lah, but it actually transfers speeds faster than your typical portable external hard drives. Nice. So without further ado, let's take a look at the box itself. So the box is actually fairly standard, Seagate expansion, desktop drive for your PC and Mac. So yes, it also supports Mac, although it's just more of a formatting issue. This is the 8TB model. Okay, and there's rescue data recovery services provided. So Seagate actually has a tier higher model called the Backup Plus. So if let's say you are using that for work purposes, where the data is actually critical, it's important that you do not lose it, it's better to get that instead, because that Backup Plus model actually has the Seagate Toolkit software installed to make sure that it actually routinely backs up your data. Taking a look around the box, we have add-on storage for your PC and Mac, blah blah blah. It connects via USB, by the way. More about that later. And yeah, that's about it. Compatible with Windows and Mac. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so what's in the box?
A few moments later.
Okay, so inside the box you'll find some accessories. So mainly you'll find basically a manual, I guess, a quick start guide. So here's something funny. There's so many languages, right? But the actual guide is just here. So the guide basically tells you step 1, plug in to the add-on power. Step 2, plug into the computer. That's it. Easy and fast. This is actually USB connected, so USB 3 specifically. So there is the blue color USB port over there. Yeah, it's blue, and USB 3 so that the connector is a bit fatter. Okay, this is the power adapter. So yes, this drive, desktop external hard drives actually require power to run. So they actually come with a host of adapters. So the power adapter is given. So the power adapter is, let's see, 12 volts, 1.5 amps for a total of 18 watts. Not that's very important lah, because it's all you need anyway. So take it out, pull it down.
Stop it. Get some help.
So to take it out, right, it's a bit funny. So usually the arrow down will tell you to pull down, right? But it doesn't work that way. You have to press the button and then you push up to remove the safety cover, and then you put in the appropriate adapter for your region.
$2,000 years later.
Okay, that being said, let's take a look at the hard drive itself. So the hard drive itself is pretty gigantic. Like this is my palm, right? And it's like that. So it's actually quite big. So as with all hard drives, right, whether it's internal or external, please do not
drop this,
or bump it, or shake it too much, because it's a hard drive. It has spinning media, so you don't want to damage the platter on the hard drive. Okay, so this hard drive, I've repeatedly mentioned, right, it's actually faster than your regular small ones. Why? Because other than being powered externally, this hard drive actually runs on speeds of up to 160 megabytes per second. For reference, regular hard drives, they actually spin at about 100 megabyte per second, give or take a little bit around there. Okay, so 160 is definitely a bit faster, but of course, you cannot fight with solid state drives lah. I mean, the cheapest SATA solid state drives are like 500 plus megabytes per second. So, but 160 is still better than 100, so at least you're getting a bit faster transfer speeds. Okay, this is the 8TB model as mentioned. It runs at about 5400 RPM, which is industry standard. So just a quick visual look at around the hard drive. It has a very nice carbon fiber-ish design, okay, but it is surrounding everywhere. Not for here. The front logo is a small Seagate front logo, and this is the power and the USB in. So yeah, you can actually see the hard drive inside. Now you can see right here clearly, like the hard drive is inside. Okay, so you can see from the benchmark pictures, we are using Atto, the software that is being used for benchmarking drives, that it actually performs right about our claims, which is around 160 megabyte per second, give or take, depending on the file size and everything. Okay, so that's about it for our unboxing and first look at the Seagate expansion external hard drive. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.